And today we are discussing a software by the name of QuickSnap. So QuickSnap is a tool that allows to display targeted content to the visitor, track their path, and react to their actions. They usually provide services that result in boosting your conversation and can also adapt quickly to your e-commerce blog and company portal. So let's check their official website, then we will talk about its features and pros and cons and everything. So that's the official website of QuickSnap. If you the official website, and there are the clients which are using their services and their products. So let's talk about its pricing. So their pricing are not provided by vendor. You need to contact them. Once you contact them, they will provide you a demo, and after demo uh, they would quote you the price. So that's it for today. Or if you want to compare QuickSnap with other leading software from the same niche, so you could also visit our website from the link given in the description, where you could check its features, its pros and cons, and also if you have any question in mind, it would be clear in our FAQ section. So it's rating as 7.3 and not the rating at review best. So if you have used that software previously, so you could also left the review on our website. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.